24 unit villas.
24 units.
Here's
Yeah.
one of our family pool villa with
Yeah.
2 bedroom,
Yeah.
living room, and also with a private swimming pool.
Right.
So we have 3 unit family pool villa.
Yeah.
And for this, our hotel temple.
Oh, the
So
hotel
every morning
temple.
before we start working, we do praying here personally.
Ah.
So when the special day like a full moon or new moon, we do praying here
Wow.
together.
Wow.
And then back at the temple, we have the tennis court.
Okay. Yeah, I
if
saw
the
that when I
guests-
walked in.
If
Yeah.
the guests would like to play tennis, we provide the racket and the ball.
Great.
And here's our pavilion, we call Bali Dadari, and also this is the access to our coffee shop, Kurasu.
Oh,
The coffee
okay.
from Kyoto.
Yeah.
And also matcha.
Yeah, yeah.
And here we have our swan pond. We have black swan from Australia,
Ah.
and then the white swan from Netherlands.
Oh, wow. Oh, the black swan here.
So the black swan from Australia, from Perth.
Yeah.
In this area, we have our full villa with 1 bedroom, private swimming pool, and dining Bali.
Yeah.
Also, we have the gate open to the rice field.
Okay.
During the daytime, we open the gate, and during turn-down service, we close the gate.
Ah, I see. Okay.
One of our benefit is a free transfer service to Ubud Center.
Oh,
From the hotel to the center, we take around 20 to 20 minutes by
Okay.
car.
Yep.
We have our free shuttle.
Okay.
Start at 8 in the morning
Yep.
to 6 o'clock in the evening.
okay.
So anytime the guests need to pick up or drop from 8 to 6 p.m.
Yep.
will be free.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Please inform us in advance so we have time
Perfect.
to prepare a car for
Perfect.
you.
Thank you.
Every morning also we have yoga class. Yoga class will be here, our yoga pavilion.
Okay.
At 7:30 to 9
Wow.
o'clock.
Yep.
Yeah, for the yoga class we need reservation before because only 10 participants can join for the yoga class.
Okay. Wow. Twenty-four is
24
my
villa.
villa. Yeah. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now I just take about 1.5 hour drive from the Bali Kuta area and come up to Ubud, which is the destination now that everyone will come and stay. And right now I'm at the very famous Tanah Gajah hotel in Ubud. So this is the premium villa, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour because it's just an amazing hotel. It is under Elegant Hotel Collection. It's definitely one of the most elegant hotel here. Okay, so when I walk in, you know, of course it's outdoor. This is the outdoor, I would say, dining area, or the mini bar is where it is. So it's the tradition to have the gin, whiskey, and vodka on the house, so you can make your own drinks. So it's really great. Okay, and then when you sit here, okay, you can see that is my pool, the premium pool, the premium villa with the pool. and then facing the paddy, the rice paddy field. It's so amazing, with the environment. Okay, so let's check out the minibar first. I'm just getting too excited about everything. Okay, so this is the lot of water, the coffee machine with instruction. This is the cutlery, the mugs. Okay, and let me check. Okay, there's nothing in here. Okay, and then this is the different type of tea and coffee and things that they have, which is great. Oh, and there's some more teacups. And then this is the mini bar. Okay, the mini bar is all inclusive, and they will replenish it daily. That's what they said. Okay, so you can make your own cocktails and everything here. Okay, so walking right along, just want to show you, this is how big the pool is. This is the sun chair, although today is not very sunny, but that is okay, so it's not too hot. But then when you kind of swim out here, you are facing the entire rice paddy field. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now let's go in and check out the room. So you need to lock the door when you go out, but I just open it. Okay, so welcome to my Villa 24. Okay, wow, it's very nice. It's a full queen size bed, and you can see the pattern and everything. It's very detailed with the woodcraft and everything, matching bedboard and the decor and things like that. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so that's the welcome fruit and snacks, and of course a welcome handwritten letter, a card from the management of the hotel Tanah Gajah. And then this is the sitting area, and then back here is the long table. Okay, that I can actually do some work if I want to. And Tanah Gajah, with the elephant gate that they have for dinner and good photo taking opportunity. And then this is what I'm going to wake up to, is the amazing pool view. I forgot to close the door, which I should. But anyway, let me open this. Okay, this is the bathrobe with the nice storage rack, luggage rack. And then another bathroom, it's like man and woman type. Okay, so got it. Okay, the television is here. So sorry, let me close the door so to avoid any mosquito or anything coming in. Okay. And of course you have to see, the men's side and the ladies' side with the makeup mirror and more of the stuff, hair dry and stuff over on this side. And let me check out the amenities. Okay. And the water and everything. And actually they have 6 free pieces of laundry per day. That's what I've heard. It's complimentary. But I will see if I can try that later. Okay, so this is the stand-up shower with the rain shower. This is their amenities: shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Okay, and this is the toilet. But of course, the amazing thing is always the outdoor bathtub and shower. So you can see how The lighting and everything is very well coordinated. The size of the bathtub is great with the views of the greens, that you can really enjoy the good bath here. And let me check out if you can come right into the shower room. Oh, okay, actually you can go out to the swimming pool here. So that's what the door here is, to go out to the swimming pool. So from the swimming pool, you can actually go to the bathtub and then go back into the shower room. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's basically the features of the room. Let me see. Yeah, okay, I'm looking for safe deposit boxes right here. So they got everything here, and the Bose audio unit. Okay, so basically, this is the room, is the premium villa, which is a very, very nice room. And I'm going to be here just for a night because I'm trying to explore more hotels. But they have the free afternoon tea between 4 to 6, and they have the free cocktail as well, the evening between 6 to 7. So that's what I would try to, try. But I've also booked the spa, so I'm not sure if I will be able to do the cocktail for sure, but the afternoon tea or not. I just have lunch, and I'm going to have breakfast here tomorrow morning. So again, please follow me, and I will show you my entire exciting experience at Tanah Gajah in Ubud, Bali. Thank you. That's great. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, me again. Finally, I wait for the rain to stop, and I'm going out for breakfast.